Geoff, in this time of COVID, there's a lot of activity at VACC at the moment. Can you give us a wrap-up of what's been happening?
Look, thanks, David. I'll focus on in the policy area and the research area. There's a lot going on in the whole building, but let me just take that piece in particular. We've got John Guest, the leader in that team, but looking after body repairers, trying to develop and get endorsed in Victoria a better code for body shops in there, interchange with insurers. We want that mandated in Victoria, and John's been working very hard on that, and we're very hopeful for that. Mick McKenna's out there lobbying for changes to JobKeeper, not just for dealerships, but across the whole industry. We had a meeting this morning with the Commission for COVID, and we've got a dialogue going with them. We know that big business is suffering. They don't meet the eligibility. We want the eligibility rules changed, and we think we can get some movement there. John Curry, of course, is always looking and pushing for access to repair information. That's still being worked on in government. But also we've got dialogue with a number of ministers around cross-border movement and clarity around the movement of vehicles across borders. That includes cars, commercial vehicles, tractors and farm machinery, and staff getting across borders. We know it's a major problem for our regional members. And Steve Bletsos, our senior research analyst, he's working on the environmental scan for the automotive industry, which is the document we use and our national body uses to inform government about where the industry is, what the future looks like, and what help we need from government to get to those objectives, those long-term objectives that we need for the industry.